Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover euro dollar. We'll speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the euro versus US dollar. So what we can see here is that we had a rejection of the declining 10-day moving average. You can see it here on the bottom left corner. This chart is the daily time frame. And I see potential for the market to trade lower towards the support around, let's say, 1.0680 or 1.0673. So there is a chance for this down day to develop. Hourly time frame, we're just testing the previous swing low. Weekly time frame, we're still within the previous week range. And overall, this rejection of the previous swing highs and the declining 10-day moving average can be a good sign potential for the further downside development. On the Bitcoin, as I alerted, we have the downside. We had quite a big sell-off yesterday. Market traded all the way down to 58,440. And still, we have a chance for a bigger drop. So there is a pin bar low on the weekly time frame at 56,530. And then we have the area around even the 50,000 mark, which will be the next downside objective. Hourly time frame, so we can see this is some aggressive buying came in, maybe some also profit taking from the sell side, but there is no significant reaction or anything meaningful that will suggest a big reversal at this point. So I suppose there is a chance for a downside development after some maybe tight consolidation at this point or so, and the rebreak to the downside. On the dollar index, so we have the retest of the rising 10-day moving average. Hourly time frame, we have just reacted to the recent swing low. We have a potential double bottom. If the market can trade higher and actually take 105.60 and hold above, it will be a good chance for the upside development towards the 105.90 mark or 106 mark. On the gold market, we can see that market is in a pretty big consolidation in the last, I will say, 10 weeks or so. And the meaningful breakouts, anything meaningful, I would like to see the breakout to 2,290. This can open the door for drop towards 2,174. So at this point, we can see that sellers are trying to take control. Still, overall, we have a consolidation market, but with a chance for the further retest of those lows because we're closer to the sell-off and downside movement versus any bigger upside movement at this point. On the crude oil, so we had an update. This is something that I spoke about yesterday. So now the 82.20 is an important resistance. And only if we can break and hold above this, I see potential for the upside development and eventual retest of 84.20 or 84.40 mark. If that's not the case, that there is a chance for the market to do some more pullback and then trade back and forth and have some consolidation or a down day today. So far, just waiting and want to see how this will develop on this hourly time frame. And on the NASDAQ, we can see that market we had quite a doji candle last week, and after the pretty big extension, and there will be a chance. You can see the hourly. There is quite a bear flag on hourly time frame, so I see potential for the market to trade lower towards 19,360 or even 19,000 mark. But all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day, and speak to you tomorrow morning.